us right now?
Yeah, there's no camera facing me, but facing forward.
But he can hear our conversation?
Yeah. Trucking company called TNT was hauling sand, bottom dump tankers, and they had hideaway cameras. Nobody told me they had cameras. I didn't fill up one of my trailers, and anyway, so the loading place called up this trucking company and told them that I didn't load it up, so they were hollering at me and said, "Hey, Steven." I didn't know who was talking to me. That made me upset. I ended up quitting over it because if you wanted to put a camera on me, you should have told me.
So they were talking to you through a device like this? Like the voice just came out of it?
Yeah. It had an intercom system on it with a camera. The camera was hidden behind a screen where you couldn't see it.
Oh. Oh, that's called smart. This is called smart witness. Smart witness. So it's his way of spying on you. Do you think he spies? Do you think Fred watches you?
I mean, it has sensors in there. If you do any hard braking or anything, it will go back 7 seconds and save it. He hired a new driver